Hello, FXBITS here. We are today at the AI World Congress in London 2024. This is a really nice event. We are here with Tudor and Dan, and we have a really nice booth which we are gonna present to you. So this is our cute little booth, and you already know Dan and Tudor here, which are gonna present us a bit the booth. So Tudor, what do you got here?
Yeah, so this is, I think, the perfect time to present the booth as everybody's in for keynote. So let's see what we're showing the people that are attending. First off, the eye catcher. It's our football analysis tool, which brings the 3D video feed of a match into a 2D tactical view, and also does some analysis over the areas of the pitch that are possessed by each team, so to say, and also on the possibly dangerous players for the defending team that they should be watching. Uh, as you can see, they're highlighted in red there at certain points. Yeah, and this is the eye-catching solution, and then we can move on to the next ones. This is maybe one which is more useful for our AI world that we live in today. This is a chatbot that has also reg capabilities. We've extended its knowledge with knowledge of medications from Romania, and you can basically ask him what are some interactions from drug to drug, or maybe modes of usage, and he's basically able to come up with an answer and also guide you to the nearest pharmacy or hospital that you're looking for.
Just a correction, Tudor, it's she. It's Maya.
My bad, she.
Cute.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on and to see the. Let's move on to see the next items. Dan, do you want to also present something to us?
Yes, so here we have a couple of other projects that we've been working on for this showcase. We have a project cost estimator that basically estimates how much it would cost to build a software solution based on a few wireframe diagrams and also a short project description. And then it breaks it down based on the complexity and the uncertainty of the task, and it gives you a rough estimate of building the software solution. We also have a similar solution that estimates cost of building a building, and as well, like the other one before, you can present it with a schematic of the building that you want to build, and then tell it a bit about the architecture style, the components that you want to use, and it will give you a rough estimate of the cost of construction. Of course, this varies depending on where you're building your build. And finally, our latest edition, which is fresh, it was just released last weekend at an AI hackathon in Cluj.
We should also cheer for Andrew Doro for this one.
Yes, our colleague Andrew implemented this in just a few days. It's basically a solution that lets you learn about any topic in a smart and efficient way. And you start by stating the topic that you want to learn more about, and then it gives you 5 or 6 possible subtopics to learn about, and you can generate lessons about each one of them and then dive deeper into more detailed subjects.
Okay, then let me ask you, since we are almost at the end of the first day, how did you find the first day? What were your expectations? How was the reality? Is it good? Is it bad? I'm gonna start with Tudor.
So we came in expecting it to be probably more grandiose than it is, but we've come to the conclusion that it's probably better that it's a bit smaller than we've expected, because people are more open to talk, to see the solutions. We've had a lot of interested people that came into our booth, took flyers, and hopefully they will also contact us further. uh, this was basically our expectation, to find people that we could work with, and i hope I do hope that we did manage to find that. So yeah, that's my those are my thoughts. So let's see dance as well.
Yes, so like Tudor said, our initial impression was that the conference is a bit smaller than we expected, but it turned out to be quite a nice setting. As like Tudor said, people were friendly and talkative, and we had a lot of good contacts. And also, the talks were quite informing. We learned about the competitive advantages of AI, how it can be your co pilot, your creative assistant, or just help you be more performant and do things faster. And we learned about emerging market trends and things that might be of interest in the future, like the merging of AI and IoT or digital twin solutions. And we also heard a nice panel talk with a lot of topics from the risk of AI to how to efficiently implement it at scale. And yeah, it was quite an informing first day of the conference.
Well, I'm really happy to hear. It seems that we are in a good spot. I can also confirm that we had a lot of engagement. Yeah, let's see the second day, and what will it bring, what talks will we have, and then some conclusions of the whole conference, and if it's worth it or not. So we are at the end of the second day of the AI World Congress, and we are here with our new friend John, and of course with Dan and Tudor. And I want to ask them their final remarks of the Congress, which is a conference. And yeah, as we said before, if it's a yay or a nay, let's hear them out. Okay, so how was the conference, John? Tell us about it, and maybe tell us a few words about it.
Hello, my name is John, and I went to the AI conference and met these great people from FXBITS. It was a great conference. We got to meet a lot of people who really are into applying the new AI technology into promoting their business and making the world a better place. And it was really successful, and really met some really good new friends. Now we're going to drink.
Thank you, John. Let's move now to Dan. So Dan, how was it? How did you find it?
Yeah, thank you, Patty. I had a nice time here at the AI World Conference. We met a lot of new friends and great people. We had a lot of talks, and we learned a lot of things about the new emerging trends in AI, how to scale things, how to build AI at scale, and maybe how to handle some of the risks that are coming with these new generative AI technologies. Tudor, I'm going to hand the mic to you.
Yeah, also for me, I think the most important thing that we've done is create some meaningful connections with some nice people like John. We came into the second day not expecting too much, but actually we got a lot of interaction right at the end of the conference, which might really help us bring some new clients in. So overall, I think it was a great success for us.
And the final question, is it a yay or a nay?
It's definitely a yay.
Yeah, I think it deserves a yay.
It's the GPK.
Okay, thank you very much. See you at the next conference.